Yeah, so hi everyone, my name is Shivan. Today I'm going to walk you through my project called LangGraph, a CSV and XLAI chatbot. So what this project really does is you upload any spreadsheet file, type a question in plain English, and AI instantly answer based on the actual data. No SQL, no formulas, no technical skill set is needed. On the left side here you can upload your file, and on the right side where you have the conversation with your AI bot. The whole project is built in LangGraph, which is a professional AI framework powered by Grok free LLM AI. Everything is 100% free to run. So before I show you demo, let me quickly explain the problem it's solving. Million of people use Excel and CSV files every single day for sales, inventory, finance, and HR reports. So you name it. But if you don't want to ask a question about that data, like which products sold the most last month, and you either need to know the SQL, right, complex Excel formulas, or wait for a data analyst to help you. That is the problem. Langa solved it by letting anyone, regardless of technical skill, just type a question, get the answer. So if I show you, like, for example, this is a backfill CSV file of an other project. As you can see, these are the symbols. Okay, so you can have a data preview for it. You can also download it. So let me show how many. Let me ask how many rows are there. There are 35 rows in total. You can also see. No, okay. Also in this we have the test API, which test basically. Okay, the APIs are there. Okay, if I say how many uh, symbols are there, there are 35. Okay, so it great. It answered. And also like tell me all different columns which are there and name them. So based on the provided data, it gave you, okay, these are the different columns which are present there. Okay, we have these unnamed columns. Probably if I check it, yeah, these are the unnamed columns are there. So you can see that AI is reading the actual data and giving real answer, not just a generic response. So let me show you a quick feature or quick overview of all the features. Here is the sidebar where you can upload your file. It supports CSV, Excel, Excel files. And their example question, you can click to autofill the chat box date for the first time users. If I show you, currently it's not doing, but yeah, earlier it was doing. And you can also test the API as I showed you. So let me tell you, like, under the hood what we built is basically, if I show you, this is the code file basically, and you can see if I show you the analyze, yeah, analyze question. Here the LangGraph part comes in. Inside the analyze, I build a system prompt that includes full scheme and a sample of the data. Then I pass the user question to Grok LLM, which reads the context and generate the answer. It's quite elegant, and AI does not need to see the full dataset, just the structure. And here in the terminal, you can see the live logs for the streamer. You can see the live logs here. So in sales team, instead of waiting for data analyst to query CRM, sales manager can upload CSV and ask question. In finance, imagining query a month-end report file just by typing, no Excel formula, no way lookup, no in healthcare, etc. And the best part, the entire tech stack is free. Grok offers a generous free tier, Streamlit open source, LangGraph is open source, and you could deploy in a company tomorrow for zero cost. So thank you for watching. I gave you a clear idea of what LangGraph can do. I will do further more improvement in this